Yeah. Thank you.
All right, guys, go when I call your name.
This one is a real thin copper.
And fast, company, please.
Who's going to be there? Who's going to be right there then? Don't worry about me, won't hit you. Come on, hit it. Guys, get your foot ready, like you're gonna run.
Alright, guys, keep it to this race. You're running over Dave Darrow, Dave Fast, Jake Moore, and Bill Corbin.
Watch the guy.
Alright, you're running over Dave Darrow, Dave Fast, Bill Corbin, Jake Moore. Alright, guys, we're about halfway through.
What if you have a
Alright, driving 4 minutes in. Here we go, 4 and 2 to go. You're running over Dave Darrow, Dave Fast, Jake Moore, Bill Corbin. Alright, last time there, Dave Darrow ran at 20.4, Jake Fast up through 20
Yeah,
Jake
not bad.
Moore
No.
ran at 19.6. Bill Corbin ran at 24. At that time, Jake Moore could run at 19.9, moved up to second place. So first to hit second place, still on the same lap. Dave Darrow, Jake Moore. Dave Fast also still on the same lap.
now?
But Dave Darrow has a little bit of a jump.
Thanks, Fred.
And Moore just up there, 19.6.
Sorry, what happened?
Alright. your corner.
1 minute to go.
All right, driver. You got less than a minute. Here it comes running over, Dave Darrow, Jake Ward, Dave Bass, Bill Clement. On deck, stock truck heat number 2. On deck, stock truck heat 2. Are you guys up here ready to go?
You're gonna win. I got it.
All right, got about 10 seconds. Dave Darrow, Jake Roberts, Dave Bass, Bill Coleman in your running order.
The race is over. Please finish the lap you're on.
All right, Jones, keep that plus till you're done. All right, Jake Ward, you're done. Bill Coleman, you're done. Dave Bass, you're done. Wait on Dave Darrow. Dave Darrow's the last one still on. All right, drivers, this one is over. You're finishing order. Dave Darrow, Jake Ward, Dave Bass, Bill Coleman. Dave's going to set an early PQ runner, 18